Do you want to see how much cool new stuff I have on the boat already? Here's my new Raymarine stuff. Not all of it is in yet, as you can tell by the giant hole here. The flange was supposed to ship and it didn't come in. Ta-da! My autopilot, my wind instrumentation. Oh! Look at my new gauges. They're so pretty. Hey! Are you prepared for the mess? Because it always gets worse before it gets better. So, what's today? Wednesday? So, here's Wednesday's progress, or up until Wednesday's. And I'm not even going to touch any of this stuff. There's my new Raymarine chart plotter, new new radio, new VHS, and I have my new DC panel. And these are incredibly hard to source, and we got really lucky that we found one. So, and then I get to pull off, my favorite thing is I get to pull off all those like little stickers and stuff. And as you can see, we're still working up there to run more lines. That's still open. We're about to put the new speakers on. But yeah, it is very messy. And here's my new one. It's so pretty. That one's going outside. It just needs a flange around it. But yeah, it's super messy. So, but the good news is, to me, this isn't a bad thing because it means progress. You know, I've got lots of empty boxes here, and it just means they're working away and getting stuff done. And